Today we're gonna make some double cheeseburgers with extra thick bacon, not just regular bacon, but pepper bacon, all right? We're gonna use American cheese and Munster cheese. And why are we doing this today? Well, I lost a bunch of weight, so we're just gonna celebrate by the only way I really know how, and that is to eat something that doesn't help you lose weight, a double bacon cheeseburger. Let's get going. Let's talk about the balls I'm working with here. 70-30 ground chuck. I wanna make 4 double cheeseburgers. I want each patty to be a 1/4 pound each. Break them in half, break them in half again. No need to weigh them. When you're making your burger balls for smash burgers, you don't want really tight balls, okay? Said it before, say it again. You want your balls to be a little loose. Oh, you know what? I gotta make 1 baby burger. We got 1 burger, 2 burgers, 3 burgers, 4 burgers, and I gotta make 1 baby burger. That's gonna be a good little baby burger there. Burger sauce, real easy. Duke's mayo, a nice big squeege. Sriracha, another nice little squeege. And for a little saltiness, lovely, lovely looking sauce. Let's give it a taste. Ooh, tangy, a little bit of heat, super savory, exactly what I want. All right, let's get the bacon started first. Now, anytime you're griddling, you just wanna cook on low. You don't need to crank it up high, especially it's a little chilly today, so you don't wanna warp the carbon steel top of your griddle by cranking it up high to heat it up faster. Just let it heat up slow, and let's get going with the bacon. We like our bacon crispy. While our bacon's going on the other side, we're going to brown our buns. I like to have a lot of oil on the griddle for this part. Feel free to smash your buns into the griddle so the whole thing gets nice, or just rip them apart like I just did. So the whole bun gets nice and toasty. All right, time for the burger balls. We're gonna salt. I only salt one side because there's plenty of salt to go in the cheese, plus the sauce that we're using on the burger. If you like a salty burger, feel free to add as much salt as you want. You may not want to do a Gordon Ramsay amount of salt, but ooh. I appreciate you. Thanks for watching. Until next time.